This activity is going to look a little like work. And okay, it is work, but it will keep you moving, thinking, and you will feel good afterwards. Refurbishing furniture is you bringing new life to old pieces of furniture as you make a personal statement about yourself. This activity was the light of my life's idea, Amanda, being her idea and desire, which meant I would be a helper. If you're a helper, realize that means help, not to take over and do it your way. First, it was to do one dresser, but it was quickly realized that the mess would not be any worse if we did three pieces of furniture. That's how projects grow. First, decide where to put them, and then how to protect the area of the house, garage, driveway, or yard from the side effects of what you're about to do. You will be cleaning, sanding, then varnishing or painting. All of this means splatters and sprays drifting onto everything you have not moved or covered. The end result will surprise you and make you feel good. For more activities, go to stillaliveandkicking.org.